Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make grid photo in Photoshop. Open your image and set up guides immediately by enabling rulers, then choose New Guide Layout. Set rows and columns, adjust gutter spacing, and confirm guides are aligned to center points. Lock the guides and enable Snap to Grid for pixel-perfect alignment. Practice creating different grid counts to speed your workflow and improve export consistency quickly. Start by resizing the image to the final dimensions you want before adding guides, and open rulers for reference. Choose View New Guide Layout, enter the number of rows and columns, and set gutter values if needed. Use precise pixel values so each cell matches, then apply and inspect guide intersections. Lock guides to prevent shifting and toggle snap to ensure elements align perfectly with the grid. With guides locked, select the Slice tool to convert guide areas into exportable slices, then refine any slice edges if necessary. Use File Export Save for web or export as to choose formats like PNG or JPEG and set quality options. Verify color profile settings and file name conventions to keep exports organized. Batch exporting these slices makes sharing and uploading much faster, and consistent naming helps when assembling grids externally.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.